Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Apple keeps improving its iOS with many features over time, and the same applies to iOS 17. One such feature of iOS 17 is Live Stickers. Live Sticker lets you touch and hold an object in photos to turn it into a live stickers. iOS 16 added the option to lift a subject from the background in a photo. iOS 17 utilizes the same features for the live stickers. You can create live stickers from the Messages app or the Photos app. I will show you both methods so you can use whichever you find easier. Method 1. Messages app. Open a conversation in the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the plus button on the left of the text box. Here select Stickers. Tap the plus option under the Stickers tab. Select the photo you want to convert as a live sticker. Tap Add Sticker. To add the live sticker to your Stickers tab. Once done, you can access them from the Stickers menu under the plus button in Messages to send them to your contacts. To add effects, you can long press the newly created stickers. Select the Add Effect option from the mini pop-up. Select the effect you want and tap Done to save it. Method 2. Photos app. Launch the Photos app. Open the photo you want to use as a live sticker. Tap and hold the subject in the picture. A small pop-up menu appears over the subject and select Add Sticker from the pop-up and it will turn into a sticker. The newly created sticker will be added to Stickers tab. Again, you can long press the newly created sticker and select Add Effect option from menu pop-up. To add effect, select the effect you want and tap Done to save it. It's apparent that you can use live stickers in the Messages app. However, you can use it in third-party apps like Snapchat, Photos, Screenshot, PDFs, emails, and more. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.